My journal entry for today read, "The pain has consistently grown as if a clamp tightening its screws. But I haven't stopped. My toes have bled and my feet are on fire. My knees ache, but I move forward, not sure if the rubber band will break or bounce back." It was a tough day today, but luckily I had a Camino friend from Utah who took my mind off the pain. It's easier walking with somebody when you can chat. I stopped for breakfast. I am obsessed with the orange juice in this country. It is delicious, especially the freshly squeezed. The croissants are delectable, except when they're glazed like this one, and they become too sickly for me. My Camino cough was still around, and the illness, along with my feet and knee, really meant today was a struggle. I wasn't travelling as far as I had on previous days, which I hoped would mean that I would get a bigger rest when I arrived. Most of today's walk was through fields of wheat. It was really flat, and I can't tell you how much I appreciated that there were no ups, but were still no downs. It felt like a scene out of the movie Gladiator, where I should have been running my hands through the wheat, just like Maximus does. Santo Domingo de la Calzada is an amazing town. Within a short walking distance of my albergue, it had 2 Michelin star restaurants. It was just a shame I didn't have the budget to eat there. My albergue was massive. It was called the Albergue Cofradía del Santo, and it included a massive garden area where people were doing yoga and a foot bars filled with ice cold water for your feet, which is something that I hadn't seen before and was very much appreciated. The problem with a big hostel is that conflict can occur, and a poor young lass who was very sick was trying to sleep while 2 guys wouldn't stop talking in the room. There was a fair argument ensued. It's probably a reminder that you need to be considerate in these areas. The cathedral is spectacular. I'll let you enjoy some of the scenes. Domingo is the patron saint, and he loved chickens, so there are chickens everywhere. There are toy chickens, truffle chickens, even chickens in the albergue. and I ate chicken for dinner. Today I walked 38,410 steps, I climbed up 8 flights and travelled 25.4 kilometres. The albergue Cofradia del Santo was fantastic. I gave it 4.5 stars. Only reason I didn't give it 5 stars is because I kind of like the smaller albergues where they're more family orientated, but stay here, you'll have a great time. To come across 2 Michelin star restaurants virtually across the road from each other was a real surprise. I'm really disappointed that I didn't actually book in and eat at least one of them.